We're back with another taste test. This time we're doing freeze-dried fruit
Apples.
from the dollar store, believe it or not. Okay, first we're gonna do apple slices.
Yeah. Let's see what they look like.
They smell good. I like it. What do you think?
It's not bad. It's a really weird, like,
Weird texture.
it's really weird. Not bad though.
Okay, now we have strawberries. And these are gluten-free
And vegan friendly.
and vegan. Kind of hard. I think you have to like suck on it for a little bit. It's almost like hard candy. This one tastes better, I think. It's like just sweeter. No. Okay, next one.
And now
And
this is mixed fruit.
Mixed fruit is the last one. Maybe this will be the favorite.
Maybe. I think
So far-
apple so far is my favorite.
Strawberry is my favorite.
Oh, so there's banana. I want to try that. Strawberry's already in here, I think, but I'm not going to pop that.
That's a banana.
We should try the mulberry or
Okay,
kind
I
of
try
berry that
mulberry.
is. Try banana.
Mm. I like it.
No. Well, actually, wait. It gets slightly better.
Okay, overall, freeze-dried snack, fruit. What do you think?
7 or 8 out of 10.
I think 6 out of 10. I think they're good on the go snacks at the dollar store.
Actually, yeah, 6.
Yeah, 6 out of 10.